What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we doing a sous vide pork loin with some great tasting spinach. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So of course, you know we had to rain on them. Had to hit them with a little bit of salt, a little fresh black pepper, some mustard, a little bit of that cayenne, y'all. And of course, some onion and garlic powder. Now of course, once we got everything seasoned up, we got it vac down and straight into that sous vide machine at 145 degrees for 4 hours. Now once we only had an hour left, we hit our wok with some olive oil and then got our veg in, which is onion, celery, and bell pepper. Gave that a quick mix. Now one thing about that sesame oil, it is a dominant flavor, y'all. So don't overdo it with that sesame oil. Just about a tablespoon for real. But anyway, we went on and seasoned up our onions with a little bit of salt and pepper. And of course, anytime you season up your onions, you gotta give it a mix to get that salt and pepper all around that veg. All around that veg. Help sweat it down, y'all. That's what make it tasty. Now once our veg get to this point, we can go ahead and start adding our spinach, y'all. Now we're using fresh spinach. Well, bag spinach, but fresh nonetheless. Straight into that wok, y'all. Straight into that wok. And once it's been in that pan for, I'd say about 30 seconds to a minute, we gonna start mixing. Cause this gonna wilt fast, y'all. That sesame oil gonna do its job. That heat gonna do its job, and it's gonna wilt that spinach. This ain't gonna take long, y'all. Ain't gonna take long at all. And as soon as it start looking like this, that's when we gonna add our soy sauce and a little bit of that ponzu. Gonna give that a mix to bring everything together. Now we added about 2 tablespoons of each, y'all. About 2 tablespoons of each if you didn't catch it. And we're just mixing that together to bring those flavors together. And of course, our pork is done now, y'all. So I just went on and put the torch on this to crisp up that meat. You know, cause if you take it straight out that sous vide, it ain't gonna look like this. You ain't gonna have that nice coating on it. So you gotta crisp it up, y'all. But anyway, I'm just gonna cut this up. And then after I get this cut up, it's time to plate up. So let me grab that plate. Don't that plate look good? Got that spinach, got that good looking pork on it. And this was so tasty, y'all. You know I had to have me a little bit of rice. Y'all know who I am. If you follow me, you know I love my rice. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.